Suri Spider selects a solution. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Suri. Suri Spider is a super spider. She likes to play with her friends at Sunny Stream School. Sometimes Suri's friends do things she doesn't like. Suri did not know what to do when she didn't like what her friends were doing. I don't want to share this toy. How do you think Suri's feeling right there?
Mad.
She does look quite mad. What do you think, Emmett? Yeah, look at that mad face. She would get mad, you're right, Eli, or cry, or hit her friends. Her friends would get upset or scared. Sad little duck. Oh, a scared alligator. Doesn't look like it's making Suri feel good either. Suri now knows a way to solve her problems when she is angry. Step 1, stop your body and identify the problem. She's got a stop sign here. She says, my friends won't share their toys. Step 2, look at the solutions. Can you tell what any of these solutions are? What do you think? What is that one? I have an idea what that one is.
Trading?
Ooh, that was my idea too. Maybe this one's get a teacher. Share. So, ooh, this one. I see a little, can you read that word right there? Teeny tiny.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop yourself.
Or ask your friends to stop. Step 3, pick a solution that will work. Hey, look, we can share and trade. That will solve this problem. Hey, it's the one you were pointing at, Emmett.
And what I knew.
When Suri Spider works with her friends to select a solution, she feels proud and happy. Her friends want to play with her and feel good.
And she also got that ball she wanted.
She did, you're right. And look, everyone's so happy. They must have found a solution that worked for everyone. The end. See you soon.
Okay.